where this week we look at tabs in Google Docs. So Google has recently introduced something called tabs that you can see shown here, where you can add parts to a document that help eliminate the need for things like page breaks or having to press enter a number of times to just go to another page or create another page. Now, the real benefits to this are that you're able to make collaboration easier, and it becomes much easier to organize and navigate through larger documents. So let's take a look at what this might look like. So here is a Google Doc, and on the sidebar here, you'll probably see these tabs now. Now, if you click on this, you can rename, you can duplicate, you can do a lot of things, as well as add subtabs. So let's take an example. Let's say perhaps grade 7, I'm teaching electricity, and I want to create a document for collaboration amongst a group of students, but provide them their own area to add their information to. So this first one, I might just rename as this. Ways of generating electricity. So that might be the first tab. Now I might want to add another tab for another section that I would like students to be adding information around the environmental impacts. So right now I have two sections, and essentially what these are doing is they are creating their own pages or sections to this document. And we'll see how that works in a moment. Now, ways of generating electricity. Now I might have some subsections, so I'm just going to add some subsections here. So now I've added some different topics and sections to this document. Now when I click on each of these, it appears as though it's all the same page, but it's not. It's actually created separate pages or parts, sections, not within this document. And we can see this when we add some text to it. So now that I've added some text to each of these sections, you can see that they are actually different sections. When I click on the tabs here, you can see they change. So it's basically creating a limitless number of pages. So this is particularly helpful if we're collaborating on a document, because while I'm working on wind and my partner is working on geothermal, we'll never get in each other's way. So there you have it, tabs in Google Docs.